Hello and welcome to another update video on WIF. The Dogwifhat chart is forming a very similar structure to many other charts. Reminds me a little bit of the Solana chart here in the short term, or another chart that moves in similar ways is maybe Link, yeah, or Doge. They kind of move in very similar ways at the moment. So basically we have a three-wave move up after the 22nd of June low. A lot of crypto charts formed potentially meaningful lows on that day, WIF as well. But the problem is we have on many charts only three-wave movements, yeah, to the upside, not five-wave patterns. And so also here we don't really have a very clear confirmation that a meaningful low has been established. Therefore, we have to rely on context and levels and need to wait for further confirmation. I do have what can be considered a three-wave move up in wave one. And then in the white scenario, we might have a wider ABC pullback. So this could be a wave 2 correction that's unfolding now. Wave 1 up and then ABC in wave 2. Definitely a plausible scenario. In this wave 2, this could be classed as a flat correction, either a running flat or an expanded flat. In a running flat, the C wave ends above the A wave low. So I can already identify 5 waves to the downside in wave C. So it might be nearly done. It's just a pattern that is not very reliable because a running flat is normally very bullish. It doesn't happen very often in a wave 2 though. And the wave 1 was only in 3 waves. So it doesn't quite fit together because if it was really bullish, the wave 1 should be 5 waves. But anyway, it is valid. Alternatively, this could be a diagonal structure in which the wave 1 is a 3-wave move. We already completed wave 2. We have completed the A wave of wave 3. This is the B wave pullback. But again, it's more like a 5-wave move. So it could also be that, but it's not very reliable either way. But these are two possible pathways that I'm tracking. And it's important to understand, I think, that as long as this support area is holding between 68.3 cents and 79.1 cents, we can carefully watch for higher prices, yeah? With caution. Because the pattern from the 22nd of June low is so small that it's really hardly reliable, okay? Now, if we get any upside momentum from here, then it's likely going to be the C wave of wave 3 and could take us next to the previous swing highs here from the 10th of June around $1.07, $1.08, maybe even a little bit higher. And then another 4-5 pattern could occur and, yeah, give us the next 5-wave pattern. So that is what I'm tracking at the moment on this chart. First of all, I think the focus is on whether the bulls can defend this Fibonacci support area. And they need to turn up here before the price breaks below 68.3 cents to keep a bullish thesis alive, yeah? And then turn it around and send the price higher in wave C to, first of all, above 96 cents, the last swing high, and then to $1.08 and higher. So yeah, possible reversal pattern. This is now going to be an absolute key spot here because breaking below 68 cents will send the price back into our support zone, potentially to test 54 cents or 41 cents. Then the larger wave 2 would reset, and yeah, we need a new setup from a low. That's the update on WIF. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.